Welcome to what may be the most significant shift in human-computer interaction since the graphical user interface. Today, we're exploring OpenAI's groundbreaking announcement of GPT Realtime, a speech-first AI model that fundamentally changes how we think about conversing with machines. For decades, we've been teaching ourselves to communicate with computers on their terms through keyboards, clicks, and carefully crafted text prompts. But what if we've been approaching this backwards? What if the future isn't about making humans better at talking to machines, but about making machines better at talking to humans? That's exactly what GPT Realtime represents, the dawn of speech-first AI interactions that feel genuinely natural, expressive, and human-like. The paradigm shift from typing to talking. Let's pause for a moment to consider how we've been interacting with AI up until now. You have a question, you carefully type it out, you hit enter, and then you wait. The AI processes your text, generates a response, and delivers it back as more text for you to read. This process, while functional, creates an artificial barrier between human thought and AI assistance. We think in conversations, in flowing dialogue, in the natural rhythm of speech. Yet we've been forced to translate our thoughts into typed commands and then translate the AI's text responses back into understanding. GPT Realtime eliminates that translation layer entirely. Conversations with AI now feel fluid, expressive, and genuinely human-like. This isn't just about convenience. It's about removing the cognitive load that comes with text-based interaction and allowing natural human communication patterns to emerge. When we say these interactions are designed to work beyond demos in production, we're acknowledging something crucial. This isn't a party trick or proof of concept. This is enterprise-grade technology built for real-world applications where natural communication can transform how work gets done. Technical breakthroughs. What's actually new? The technical achievements behind GPT Realtime represent genuine breakthroughs in multiple areas of AI development. Let's break down what makes this system revolutionary. The smarter speech model goes far beyond simple speech-to-text conversion. This system understands natural tone, can process multiple languages seamlessly, and perhaps most remarkably, comprehends subtle cues like laughter, pauses, and emotional inflection. This means the AI isn't just hearing your words, it's understanding the full context of how you're communicating. Better reasoning capabilities show measurable improvements in benchmark scores for instruction following and tool selection. This isn't just about processing speech better, the underlying intelligence has been enhanced to make better decisions and follow complex, multi-step instructions more reliably. Function calling upgrades introduce asynchronous execution, which means the AI can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without conversation flow being interrupted. Imagine asking your AI assistant to research a topic while simultaneously scheduling a meeting. The conversation continues naturally while both tasks execute in parallel. Multimodal support now includes image input alongside speech, creating truly comprehensive interaction capabilities. You can show the AI a document while discussing it, or point your camera at a problem while explaining what you're seeing. Integration and developer experience. For developers and enterprises, GPT Realtime isn't just a better AI, it's a complete platform for building voice-first applications. SIP phone calling integration means this technology can plug directly into existing telephony infrastructure. Customer service systems, conference calling platforms, and business communication tools can now incorporate sophisticated AI assistants without requiring users to learn new interfaces or change their existing workflows. Reusable prompts streamline the development process by allowing teams to create standardized interaction patterns that can be deployed across multiple applications. This reduces development time while ensuring consistent AI behavior across different use cases. Remote MCP server support provides enhanced connectivity options, enabling AI agents to access distributed resources and services seamlessly. This architectural approach supports the complex, interconnected systems that enterprise applications require. Together, these developer tools represent a recognition that the future of AI isn't just about better models. It's about creating ecosystems where developers can build sophisticated, production-ready applications efficiently. Why this transformation matters. The significance of GPT Realtime extends far beyond technical improvements. we're witnessing three fundamental shifts that will reshape how humans interact with technology. Unified processing means one model handles all aspects of speech interaction: understanding, reasoning, and response generation. This eliminates the complexity and latency that comes from chaining multiple specialized systems together. The result is interactions that feel genuinely natural and fast without the awkward pauses that characterize current voice assistants. Measurable intelligence improvements aren't just marketing claims. Benchmark results demonstrate quantifiable advances in reasoning and compliance. This means the AI doesn't just sound more natural, it actually thinks more clearly and follows instructions more accurately. Enterprise readiness addresses the real-world requirements that prevent many organizations from adopting AI technology at scale. Built-in safety guardrails prevent inappropriate responses, transparency features enable audit trails, and reduced pricing makes widespread deployment economically viable. This combination of natural interaction, improved intelligence, and enterprise-grade reliability represents the maturation of AI from experimental technology to business-critical infrastructure. This brings us to perhaps the most important question raised by GPT Realtime. Will voice-first AI replace text as the primary way we interact with machines? This isn't just a technological question, it's a fundamental question about how humans prefer to communicate and how different interaction modes serve different purposes. Text excels at precision, permanence, and complex information processing. Voice excels at speed, naturalness, and emotional nuance. The answer likely isn't replacement, but rather expansion. We're moving toward a world where the interaction mode matches the context and purpose of the communication. Quick questions and collaborative thinking happen through voice. Complex analysis and document creation might remain text-based. Multimodal interactions combine both. But this transformation raises some serious challenges we must address. How do we handle the technical complexity of real-time voice processing? How do we protect privacy when AI systems can hear and understand everything we say? And are we prepared for the implications of always listening AI assistants? Opportunities and challenges ahead. The path forward with voice-first AI presents both tremendous opportunities and significant challenges that we must navigate carefully. The opportunities are transformative. We're looking at dramatically improved accessibility for users with disabilities, hands-free computing that enables AI assistance in any context, and more natural human-computer interaction that reduces the learning curve for AI adoption. Voice interaction could democratize AI access by removing the barrier of technical proficiency required for effective prompt engineering. Technical challenges remain substantial. Real-time voice processing requires solving complex problems around latency optimization, noise handling in diverse environments, and context preservation across long conversations. The system must work reliably whether you're in a quiet office or a noisy factory floor. Privacy concerns demand immediate attention. Voice data is inherently more personal and revealing than text. We need robust security measures, clear consent mechanisms, and careful consideration of the implications of always listening AI systems. How do we balance the convenience of voice interaction with legitimate privacy expectations? Enterprise readiness requires addressing compliance requirements, data governance challenges, and the complexity of integrating voice AI into existing business systems. Organizations need clear policies about when and how voice AI should be used, especially in regulated industries. Conclusion: the future is speaking. GPT Realtime represents more than just another AI model release. It's a fundamental shift in how we conceptualize human-computer interaction, removing from a world where humans adapt to communicate with machines to a world where machines adapt to communicate naturally with humans. This transformation, from typing to talking, from waiting to conversing, from artificial interaction to natural dialogue, will reshape not just technology, but how we work, learn, and solve problems together with AI. The question isn't whether this transformation will happen. The technology is here today. The question is whether we're prepared to thoughtfully navigate the opportunities and challenges it presents. As we stand at this inflection point, we have the opportunity to shape how voice-first AI develops. We can build systems that enhance human capability while protecting privacy, that feel natural while remaining reliable, and that democratize AI access while maintaining security. The future of AI is speaking. The question is, are you ready for the conversation? This concludes our exploration of GPT Realtime and its implications for the future of AI interaction. The revolution in voice-first AI isn't coming, it's here. How we respond will determine whether this technology becomes a tool for human flourishing or a source of new challenges we're unprepared to handle.